Hey, Thrifty says, happy Friday. I know I am a day late and $1 short with this deal. Nonetheless, if you have not been to Michael's, I need you to drop everything that you're doing right now and run to take advantage of the 90% off the toys that they have on clearance. So I know, guys, I should have brought this to you yesterday or maybe the day before, and it may be gone. So you can call the store to check it out. Now, before we get started on the toys, I just wanted to show you some of the things that they have in Michael's right now. Of course, they have all their Easter decor. And as you can see, they have different wreaths hanging and just all types of things. But nonetheless, this is not what we're here for. So let's go ahead and see exactly what's going on with those toys. Now, I will say this, guys, for my store, I was a little bit disappointed because I missed out. But nonetheless, even though I missed out on some, they did have some items still there. So as you can see, it's saying that it's a 60% kids clearance event. It was actually 90%, and you can see a lot of the shelves are cleared. But nonetheless, there were some items that I still was able to find. Now I'm looking at this because they have a lot of Crayola products that are buy one get one 50% off. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it in the cart just to kind of scan and see exactly how much the Crayola is ringing up for. Now, of course, they have this, which I thought was super cool. It's like a color in dollhouse. It's only $8.99. Not a bad price. And then, of course, I thought these books were just hilarious. You know, when you used to go to the amusement parks and they do all those different types of drawings. So nonetheless, this is a station still with Crayola, and it still has buy one, get one 50%. I'm going to grab one of these just because I seen on Instagram where these were ringing up $1.39, but then when you actually take them to the register, they're only 13 cents. Now, I have no idea what a Build-A-Beast is or how it would actually work as far as that. I don't know. But nonetheless, I am going to just grab a few of these products just to see what we can find on there and see if we can find any deals. Okay. Now, this is just like a washable marker set that you can color with. And then this is some scribble scrubbies. Guys, these toys nowadays are just so different from what I'm used to, but nonetheless, I'm going to put both of them in the cart and scan, and hopefully we can come across some different deals there. Now, with that being said, I also was just going through looking to see what may come on clearance in the future or just what they have, and I am a big do-it-yourself person. I think kids love that nowadays. Like, this is a glitter face mask. Like, how cute is that? I don't know if it's moisturizing or what happens, but nonetheless, I think children love gifts like this. Make your own soap, your own face mask, and then come on now, like lip gloss. This is super cool. Now, let me know if you have children. Like, do your kids like these type of things? I know this was definitely not a trend or a thing when I was growing up, but I must say that I wish it was. Like, I was more into, I think it was Lisa Frank and the Easy Bake Oven, and you know what I mean? Like, I'm back into that 90s, and I'm sure for those that are watching, if you were like 80s babies, let me know what was like your toys, maybe Etch-a-Sketch or Fraggle Rock, or I don't know. I think Fraggle Rock was a cartoon. Nonetheless, I am going through and I'm looking at some of the toys. Now, with their toys, of course, they look a little bit expensive. $7.49 for this X-Man. It was not the cheapest price at all, but the representative did show me where they had another aisle or just another section that was clearly for clearance. So I am going to show you that as well. And as you can see, this is just strictly clearance. So there was a middle section that had not been taken. Now I'm looking here. I'm going to grab these just to see exactly what the cost is. I think that they're $4.99, which isn't bad for a 100-piece set. But some of the items that they had was a lot. For example, like this mixer set, it is $14.99 or $13.97. I'm still just going to grab this and see if it's any lower. This latch kit, which is a mermaid mini rug. I'm not sure who wants to use this, but maybe so. And I thought this was nice, which is the pet vet set. And this was $14.97 as well. So as you can see, some of the items clearly show on here. This is $8.97, where it's a craft activity set. And they had like so many scientific projects going on, experiment sets. Like, I could not believe this. These kids are so much more advanced than what I was, okay? Because all I had was like a little petri dish, and I think we got to dissect a baby shark in 7th grade. Don't even know if that really was a shark at that time, but nonetheless, look at all these different items. So I'm going to grab some of these kits and just put them inside of my cart and see if they ring up a little bit lower than the price that is stating. Now, of course, like I said, you might want to check your Michaels, because I didn't see where this was just really advertised much on YouTube. Now, I love these pens growing up. Oh my gosh, they are $17.99. I'm going to check that out as well, because that is a little bit much, and I have no idea what these are, but of course they say that they're $2.49 as well. Now, what I was looking on from Instagram, and in comparison with my store, a lot of times on Instagram, the prices were a lot lower. So you may want to check. And from what I was told when I asked certain representatives, if your store does not have them, they could have already been included in the Christmas grab bag. So I know we have several stores here in Huntsville, and some of them actually just put them in the Christmas grab bags, and they said that they pennied them out. So I am learning much more about Michaels, because I did not know that they have penny items, or they put a lot of their items in the grab bag. So keep that in mind as well. For those that did get the grab bags, let me know that you have toys in there as well, because our other store, that's exactly what they did. So call your store, check and see if they have them. But nonetheless, let me go ahead and grab some of these items and head directly over so we can see what the cost is. So as you can see, my cart is a little bit full, and we're going to go right to this price checker and see if we can get items for a little bit lower. And you know what, guys, like at this point, this is a great way to prepare for Christmas. Like, you cannot beat some of this. So we're going to go ahead and try this Build a Beast first, which I don't know what child will want this, but hey, let's see. So this is ringing up $1.29 at my store. And like I said, when I looked online on Instagram, it went as low as 13 cents. I did confirm with the actual cashier that when I get to the register that it would mark down to the 13 cents, which my store had a lot of those left. Now this is saying that it's $14.97, and it's the T-Rex kit. So we're going to go ahead and scan and see if there's anything lower for this one. I seriously doubt it, but I just did, I wanted to check just to see if there's anything. And this, for some reason, of course, does not want to scan. Come on. All right. So it was originally $40 and it's $14.97. Not bad at all. Now, let's go ahead and try this. Like, I used to love these pens in school. Oh my gosh. And you get 40 of them. I think this is when I used to send those boys those notes and get caught. Yeah, but you know what? Who cares? So they were $17.99, and they're actually marked down to $8.99 for gel pens. Not too bad of a price. Now, you cannot use the 20% off coupon. I did ask that as well. So you cannot use any additional discounts with this. No military, no teachers discount. They did not accept it at all. So this was originally $34.99, and it was marked down as well to, I think it was $14.97 that we just seen. Not bad at all. This latch kit, I don't know who would want this. If you tried one of these, let me know what you think in the comments down below about these mini rugs. But this is actually $9.97. So this was like 50% off. Now, I didn't ask her, were all these items going to be marked down any lower, because I just was not going to buy any of these items. I mean, I didn't think for me that I could give them away to a kid that would want them, but there's some actual pictures that I'm going to show you at the end of this, and you can see some of the items that people are scoring. Like, it's some great stuff. So this, once again, is another Build a Beast set, and I just wanted to see if it was going to ring up 13 cents, and it went to $1.29 as well. So, I mean, you cannot beat some of these prices, especially if you do have children, if you're a person that loves to donate to like different causes, or I know the Marines have like the toys for charity each year. I think it's like a Christmas charity that they do. So if that is like something that you definitely involve yourself in, you may want to grab some of these items and, just actually give them, bless someone with them. So this was a weird little thing. And this is actually, I think, $1.97. Okay, so there we go. Not too bad at all. And so, I mean, of course, if there's additional discounts at the register, you definitely cannot beat that out at all. Now, I love this, especially for my niece as a mixer set. So I am hoping that this is marked down even lower. Come on. Fingers crossed. And it is still $14.97. So it was originally $35, $14.97. I'm not sure if they're going to mark down items even further at all, but these are some of the items that people scored on the internet. So these slime JoJo sets, and as you can see, this stuff was 50 cents. This JoJo set was 50 cents, and you see it said $1.97 but rung up 50 cents. This was a quarter. So if you see these things at your store, you may want to go ahead and grab them or check them out. So this is it, guys. I am reporting from Michael's. I know you guys want to see Marshall's and Burlington and a lot of different other stores. I got you covered. It was just some things going on. Now, of course, they did have other little items where you can get like buy one, get one 50% off frozen. So no worries there. But this is it. So please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you later. Okay, bye.